Discover the secrets to kickstarting your own YouTube Shorts channel using AI, where you can effortlessly generate over 1,000 captivating, monetizable, and viral shorts in less than 20 minutes. But before we dive into that, take a moment to observe this channel, ranking in millions of views. But how can it be possible? Wait, I will explain a complete supersonic strategy about captivating shorts in this video that will have the magical power to stick your audience to your videos. Let's begin fun and explore the way to success. So stay with me till the end of this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like the tab on my channel before going forward. A few months ago, the game-changing feature called Bulk Create was unearthed on Canva. This discovery triggered a flood of videos demonstrating how to produce identical and mundane content. However, none of these creators revealed the crucial aspect of effectively posting these shorts. Okay, don't you worry, I'm here, and that's where my comprehensive formula comes in. It not only guides you on bulk creating hundreds of shorts within minutes, but ensures they possess all the essential elements for viral success, including an impressively high average view duration and engaging content that prompts viewer comments. Learn how to efficiently publish these shorts across various social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter. With this approach, you can grow multiple accounts on different platforms with the same effort as focusing solely on YouTube. Furthermore, discover how to monetize your social media accounts once you achieve viral status. Let's take a look at these short channels that are grabbing the high attention of viewers, and monetization is just the minigame for them. They are getting thousands of dollars with the passion to earn money in a short time and deep experience in successful strategy. So, the first thing you need is the best roadmap that guides you in the right way to your destination. Are you ready to stretch your brain muscles and have some fun? Put your thinking caps on, because we're about to embark on a journey of riddles. Can you solve them all? Let's begin the interesting game. Go to ChatGPT and write your prompt here, and in just a few seconds it will create 50 riddles in a table form. Follow my steps and generate all prompts for your next step. ChatGPT acts as a riddles expert, and your task is to create 50 quick riddles for your viewers. To solve the riddles should be simple enough to engage and amuse the participants. Each riddle should consist of 3 options, and only one correct. Present your riddles in a format as shown below. Title, hook, body, option 1, option 2, option 3 answers. Here's an example of a riddle. The title is Riddle Central, and the hook, can you solve this? The body. Riddle example. I have a head and a neck, but no body. I wear a coat but have no arms. I can hang around, but have no legs. What am I? And then we have 3 options: a coat hanger, a light, a bulb, and a screw. The answer is a coat hanger. Please ensure your riddles are fun, engaging, and satisfying. After getting all the prompts, you have to copy all these and save them in the Excel sheet to create bulk riddles video posts. Now we are using the Canva website for creating our animated riddle posts for social media. Canva is the best software with many animated options for all kinds of short animated videos and posts. Go to Canva and select the YouTube Shorts template. Click the Element tab on the left side and write in the search bar motion background. Press Enter, and it will show you many backgrounds. Pick one of them as your choice, click it on your video option, and fix it on the whole space. Click the text option and choose header text on the top of the video. Go to ChatGPT, select the first title, copy it, paste it into the heading text option, and choose the writing font as your choice. Canva provides us with multiple text font formats for designing our posts. Now design this text like me. Again, select header text, paste your hook in the text option and design it to enhance your post attractive like me. Select the subtitle text option, copy the body text from ChatGPT and paste it into the text bar. Duplicate the body text 3 times. Replace each one with our different options for the riddle answer. Okay, now you need one confusing guy image to make your short video more engaging, and for this, type confused person in the element search bar. It will show many images, pick one of them, remove its background, and set this image in the video. To make your post more engaging, you can add a countdown timer that will make your short video more interesting. Let's add a timer to make the viewer excited and committed to watching it all the way through. Think about it, if you see a timer, you'll start wondering what happens when it hits 0. Go to the element section and type countdown timer, and it will show you many timer clips. Select one of them and set it on your post like me. After completing this, you add some animated effects to the post. The outcome might seem incomplete, doesn't it? Music is the missing element, and, of course, in Canva, some music may be copyrighted. To avoid any issues, visit a royalty-free music website such as Pixabay. Select suitable quiz music, then upload it to Canva by clicking on Uploads to the left, and swiftly add it to your video. Voila! Here's the refreshed version. Move to the magical part of the video. I mean preparing the 50 posts in some clicks. Canva harbors a somewhat concealed capability that empowers you to link diverse data sources to your designs, enabling the convenient bulk creation of numerous shorts. To access this functionality, simply navigate to the Apps section on the left, search for Bulk Create, and choose the appropriate tool to make the most of this innovative feature. Click on Enter Data, manually clear the table, and then go back to your Google Sheets document and copy 50 rows, including the titles for each row. Press on T in Canva and paste your data. It'll look something like this. Now click Done, and it's time to connect our data sources. If you don't get this right, nothing will work, so pay close attention. Click on the hook, select Connect Data, then connect the right data source. You need to repeat this for all the different parts of your riddle. Until all the data sources are connected, you can control that they've been connected in the menu to the left. Now click on Continue, and then hit Generate, and just like that, you have 50 shorts ready to be uploaded. You can upload these shorts one by one on your social media accounts like YouTube, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. But before publishing, keep in mind to implement the right SEO to grab your audience's attention. Put your title and tags according to your video topic, which will increase your video reach quickly. I hope you have liked this rapidly money-growing trick with some easy and interesting steps of AI tools. We will come up soon with new exciting online easy earning ways. Until next time, take care.